Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. In the previous lectures we studied about electric charge, basic properties of electric charge, Coulomb's law, right? Now in our today's session we are going to discuss about electric field. This is very important topic of this chapter. Okay, so let's start. Electric field. Now before we understand electric field, let's try to understand this word field. What is field? How to define field? So dear students, field is nothing but what we can say, it is the region surrounded by any body. Surrounded by any body. So here we have electric field, means this is the field or this is the region around a electric charge, right? So let's talk about definition. Proper definition of electric field. So what is electric field? The region around a charge. The region around a charge within which if another charge comes, what will happen? It will experience a force. Now dear students, to understand this topic, we should have two different charges. We should have two different charges because in the statement, the region around a charge means there is one region of one charge and it will experience a force, means another charge will come within the region and it will experience some force. So to understand this topic, we should have two different charges. Okay. Now we are taking plus Q, that is our source charge, because we must have electric field, right? So to have electric field, here we have taken plus Q charge, which is known as source charge, and that charge who will experience a force is known as test charge, that is test charge, and it is small q0. It is small q0. Now here we are having two different charges. So according to Coulomb's law, there will be some electric force. So what is the force? Force between two charges is given by F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q small q0 upon r square. Okay. Now here we are talking about electric field. So how to define electric field? So electric field is nothing but force experienced by test charge. Force experienced by test charge. Now test charge is q0, small q0, and force between these two charges is capital F. So force experienced by test charge. This is nothing but our electric field, and symbol for electric field is capital E. So what will be the equation of electric field? Capital E is equal to F upon Q0. Now here we are getting another equation. Here we got this equation 1, and say this equation is 2, number 2. Now we have to put the value of equation 1, that is the value of force, in equation 2. So what we get when we are putting the value of force in this equation, we are getting E is equal to 1 upon 4 by epsilon naught capital Q small q0 upon r square into this q naught q0, right? So this q0 will be cancelled out. What we get, capital E is equal to 1 upon 4 by epsilon naught into q upon r square. So dear students, this is the equation of electric field. This is the equation of electric field. Now, electric field is the vector quantity. In 11th science, you have studied about vector quantities and scalar quantities. So, electric field having magnitude as well as direction. So, it is vector quantity. It is vector quantity. And what about unit? Unit is nothing but, look at the equation. In the equation, there is force in the numerator and there is charge in the denominator. So for force, we have Newton, and for charge, we have Coulomb. So unit will be Newton upon Coulomb. So I hope, dear students, you would be understood this topic very well. We'll meet in the next lecture with new topic. Till then, keep reading. Take care. Thank you.